Hello everybody, this is Lyle Alexander, and today I would like to share with you the Hand of Heaven income opportunity. It's Christian faith-based opportunity that has a series of digital packages that are one-time purchases. We suggest that everyone starts with the $25 Faith and Success package and then use profits to upgrade as quickly as possible all the way to the top to where you can earn the big money. By everybody starting at the $25 Faith and Success package, you'll be using just $25 and not put in jeopardy funds that you would use for the needs that you have in your life. So $25 out of pocket is just a small amount. But take the business seriously. Go find as many people as possible as quickly as possible, and you will be blessed with the income potential. This chart represents the income potential of just 2 referrals each person, and what would happen if it took 1 week for each person to find 2 referrals each. So in this example, you could go from $25 one time and earn that first $25, and in 2 years ramp it all the way up to where you would earn $192,000 on the $2,000 package. So let's go through this, and I'll explain how the compensation plan works. The compensation plan is a reverse one-up marketing plan. This is a very, very powerful and very lucrative compensation plan. What that means is a reverse one-up compensation plan means that everyone's second sale passes up the line. So with your first sale and your third sale to infinity, you get to keep all the money. Everyone's second sale of those sales on your first sale and your third sale to infinity all have to pass up their second sale to you. So in effect, that sale comes to your front line, and all of those people, their second sales come to you. And then the next generation, their second sales come to you. And the next generation, those second sales come to you. So as you can see, you'll want to share this with as many people as possible, as rapidly as possible. But this chart shows what would happen if a person only made 2 sales, and then what would happen as each generation goes down this chart, or takes 1 week to make their 2 sales, with the second sale passing up. So we're starting out with just $25. This is what your sales would look like as the weeks go by. We recommend taking your very first monies and upgrading to the next higher package. And so here with 2 weeks of sales at this package, you could go purchase this package out of profits. Same here, 250 package, first 2 sales will purchase your $500 package out of profit. The first 2 sales here would purchase your 1,000 spiritual growth package out of profits, and your first 2 sales here would purchase your $2,000 Hand of Heaven Live. And so out of profits, you're only out of pocket $25, so everything else is out of profits. Now, I highly recommend sharing this with as many of people as possible, as rapidly as possible. What if you only had 10 sales on your front line? Then you could multiply these numbers by 10, and in this package right here, in 2 years, this would be worth $1,920,000. So again, there are no limits. What if you've got 5, 10, 100 personal sales? What if you got 1,000 sales? There are no limits. So in the description are the links, is a link to get started, and let's get started right now and come along with us. Have a great day.